Hi, my name is Shrikant Iyengar and I am from Pune. And I am self-employed and I manage my own business. And also at the same time, since last quite a few years, I am into the training and consulting profession. Now, as a part of being into training and consulting profession, I always was seeking for something more beyond the technical trainings which I'm already doing. So I had been seeking for doing something more which can add much more value to an individual, to a corporate and society at large. So while I had been exploring various options which I can undertake in this field, one thing which struck me that one of the best ways to contribute to anyone would be to positively handhold and coach in the right direction in a positive manner. So being a coach to somebody is probably one of the most noble ways of contributing to any individual or an organization. So while I had been exploring various options in this field, I came across this particular program, that is the Train the Trainer program. Now this Train the Trainer program, which is being done by Rise Academy and been led by Mr. Sunil Parekh. I went through one of his seminars which actually hit me really very hard, which helped me to make certain realizations for myself. And also at the same time, this also gave me an insight that how going through such a program will help me seamlessly integrate to what I'm already doing and also discover my own purpose and contribute to so many things at large. Subsequent to that particular seminar, I had a one-on-one interaction with Mr. Sunil Parekh also, where he clarified certain deeper aspects and gave me much more insights. So that just helped me to reaffirm my decision for going ahead with this particular program. And probably I would say this was one of the best decisions in my life which I made, and a brilliant program. The Train the Trainer program is actually comprehensive enough, which prepares an individual to become a life coach, success coach, and does not end up in motivating an individual. In fact, it contributes very significantly to transform an individual for the entire lifetime. And the kind of inputs which had been given into the program, the way the program is designed, the contents, everything, it is just brilliant. Everything had been seamlessly integrated, and it's not only about theory. There are so many applications which actually gives a confidence to an individual that it is not only about the concepts or philosophy or theory, it actually works and how it works. And an individual walks out of this program, and I am feeling so much very well equipped now to go ahead and deliver this program and transform and start changing lives right from tomorrow. So that's the power of this program. And thanks to Sunil sir, the way he has designed and whatever he had been doing as a part of his bigger mission and purpose, all the participants in this particular program, we are more than happy to join the bigger mission, and we'll be doing our best for contributing towards that. Thank you. This Train the Trainer program and any other program which is designed by Rise Academy is something which is not limited to any individual, limited to age, not limited to gender, not limited to the kind of education background an individual might have. I would very strongly recommend all the programs which has been done by Rise Academy, which eventually would only positively contribute towards transforming an individual's life. More specifically, the Train the Trainer program, anybody, any individual who would like to pursue and contribute towards transforming many lives over the place and doing it in a much more structured manner formally, please don't even blink your eye and think twice. Do come in for this program. Trust me, the kind of value what you will get would be much more than one can expect. So one should definitely go for it if somebody is wanting to pursue this path very seriously. Thank you.